I myself, Raj Kapoor, resident of house number 36, sector 14, Rohtak. Retired from the post of sub-divisional engineer from the Department of Haryana Public Works Department. Recently, my daughter, Miss Neha, was experiencing a painful situation in the submandibular gland, which one is situated in the neck portion. From the reliable sources, we have an address of Mayhome Hospital, which has an expertise, equipment, and very, very learned doctor, to whom we have an OPD appointment and consulted for the same ailments. As doctor seen in the CT scan, X-rays, it was found that there are 2 stones in the gland, which needs a Sialoendoscopy treatment and allied other procedure. And after the 3 or 4 days, doctor admitted the patient in the hospital and given the required treatment, by which my daughter feels relaxed and relieved from the ailments, pain, and other problem. After that, on the advice at the time of discharge, we have to consult after 7 days, and after a gap of 4 weeks, againly the CT scan procedure will be adopted to see the position of the stone in the submandibular gland or any other problem as seen will be treated on that occasion. We have a very delighted experience. By the treatment of the learned doctor, Dr. Manish Prakash, a very cooperative staff of the hospital, that is, whether that is a clerical staff, that is a medical staff, that is the staff available in the indoor, we are feel so homely treatment and appreciate all of the activities of each and every staff member, and thankful to the Dr. Manish Prakash ji, which has given a very, very required treatment and advice. Thank you.